What's doing? Welcome to another episode. This week we have my N80 back. We're going to do some stuff. I've got some parts. I know a heap of people have been asking me about it. This one I've actually got a Fraser trip coming up and I need to set it up a little bit better for that. So let's get stuck in. Yes, that's right. So this week, Jarvis is going to be fitting some airbags. So we're going to throw some airbags in here from the Airbag man, just to try and help with the load between what I have in the back with the canopy, the fridge and everything else, as well as when I tow the drift car. So we're going to carry some extra weight. So that'll give me some flexibility in driving with heavy conditions and light conditions and where else I can adjust to suit. Are you pumped? He's pumped. All right, let's get stuck in. Alrighty, so Jarvis has unpacked the bag of goodies or box of goodies from the Airbag man. Got a couple of airbags, some brackets, some other plates. Our airline is in here. Airline's in here, which will run up and run to the back. Pretty straightforward bolting kit. The guys down there at Airbag man do a great bolting kit for most model cars. So we'll get stuck in. So we have two Jarvises here. Yeah, there's one here and one here. Just stand there and hold things and do nothing. Anyway, we're into doing stuff. What are we doing, Giles? We're fitting airbags?
Fitting airbags.
You know what you're doing? Done this sort of thing before?
Yeah.
Just the usual opposite way. We're going down, not up. So he's just going to undo this U-bolts here for the spring. And take out some of my sand.
Yeah, if someone would clean their car would be lovely.
Well, Tom has detailed this. Yeah, he's as good a detailer as he is on the camera. And you got some bits?
Got some bits. So the tongue goes out.
Always tongue out, Jarvis.
Hold the tongue the right way. Come out properly.
Oh, easy as that.
Done.
Done.
Done and done. And then you tighten the U-bolts, and then that goes considerably.
What are you doing?
You get one of these plates,
Yes.
and then you get this guy. You go these bolts.
Box of spares, we'll have none left, you reckon?
That is the idea.
No idea.
No, we won't have any spares.
Okay. So what are we doing? Foot plate on?
Foot plate on,
Yep.
and then you get these guys, bolt and a washer, or cross washer, and they will thread through here and hold this bracket to the chassis.
Sick. And I'll sit in there, something like that. It just hooks around. I'll come around this side and show. But it just hooks around onto there.
But if it's full of sand.
Yeah, hooks into there and bolts on the other side. So let's put these locating bolts into the bracket which holds it onto the chassis. If he holds his tongue the right way, it'll locate it in there.
Yep. If I can get one.
And then all the ugga-duggas.
All the ugga-duggas.
And part whatever we're up to. What do we got, Jarv? So you've got this top section bolted in, wedged in. The bolt that he's seen him fit into here, he's left loose so he can still pivot this bag around so he can put the underside, and get into there, to twist around where he needs to get the air outlet in the right spot, located in the bottom bracket. And we need to lower the car so we can get the bag to sit in the right spot without trying to obviously lift the back wheel up on the hoist and make it fall off the hoist. And he's going to throw this bolt in here, locate the bag, and I'll show you when he's done. So Jarvis has bolted this in, basically just bolts through the air fitting to the fitting. So Jarvis has bolted this in, it just bolts through to the plate, through the airbag, and the airbag is all in and located, and then we just need to run the air fitting out of here, and we'll run that up and over, and we'll run to the connection at the back. It's pumped.
Gotta hold my tongue the right way for this one.
Get the zoomy right. So air fitting goes in like so. It's on a bit of a swivel base, so once he does do it up, it'll swivel to where we need it to go, and we'll run this airline. Yeah. So Mr. Premature has plugged her in already, but it's not really hard anyway. You just plug it in, route where it goes. Obviously every car is different, so these ones are going to just follow the brake lines up and over. You follow up the chassis around the wiring harness and everything else. I'm going to come out the back here. Depending on where you want to mount it, what you want to do, I have some things happening in the back here. So we're going to mount them here somewhere. We might even make a little bracket off of here or do something, and just have them sitting here without drilling into the bar and without making anything too permanent. But pretty much the airbag is done. He's just got to copy the other side, and we'll be good to go. So we've just hanging these little dangleberries here. We've pumped them up. They're holding about 30 psi at the moment. And bags are in and bags are done to take the extra load. And we might see if we can get Jarvis to drop the valves out. Where's he gone? Drop some valves out so we can watch it go down. At least you should have to drop one down and we'll watch where it goes. You might have to drop the other one, Jarvis. Oh. Not as visually effective on the camera as it is in real life, but it does go that much. But the idea is, yeah, once we put the trailer on the back and obviously the bit of weight we've got in the back, it should level it out and make it ride good. All right, that's it from us on this one. It's another N80 upgrade, airbags. I will have compressor and other bits and pieces going on shortly. Just running out of time, waiting on parts, all those things. But any make and model of car, I've done a few lately with Rangers, Amaroks, all those sort of Land Cruisers, heaps of them as well. Doesn't have to be that bag style, it can be just slipping the coil style as well. So if you have a four-wheel drive, doing some towing, carrying some extra weight in the back, like fridges and whatnot, don't want to upgrade to a heavy spring, want to keep the light spring but have that ability to carry some heavy weight, give us a yell, 1-800-776-243. Thanks to the boys at Airbag, man, for giving us a great deal on the airbags. Not free, but we pay for them, but good price anyway. Thanks, boys. And we'll catch you on the next one. Make sure you hit that like, hit subscribe, and stay tuned for more action.